Debugging industrial serial devices can feel like chasing ghosts for field engineers. Something's wrong, but you can't see where. There's a better way. Let's walk through 3 scenarios and see how the NPort and MGate G2 get you out of each one. Scenario 1. You're called to a high-security facility. The moment you walk in, the guard points to the sign. No external laptops allowed in the server room. You're stuck at a customer workstation with no laptop, no diagnostic tools, no clues. The clock is ticking. With NPort and MGate G2, it's not a problem. A complete dashboard displaying real-time serial traffic, device status, and diagnostics is accessible through any browser on any available PC. No installation or special tools, just a browser and a network connection. Coffee, optional. Scenario 2. You've got access to the system, but now the real puzzle begins. Is the PLC sending data? Is the gateway receiving it? Is the cable the problem or the configuration? If you can't see what's going on, you're essentially making educated guesses, which are costly in industrial settings. NPort and MGate G2's built-in one-click diagnostics cuts straight through the noise. With a single click, you see traffic status details and exactly where the signal died. No cable swapping, no prayer, just a clear answer in seconds. Scenario 3. You found the problem, but now comes the paperwork. Providing support for intricate problems involves the laborious manual process of documenting device settings, event logs, and error history, which consumes significant time. The longer it takes, the longer that machine stays offline. With NPort and MGate G2, one click on Export System Logs captures a full system snapshot. Configurations, logs, the works. Ready to send straight to your support team. The machine is back on track, and so is your evening. So gone are the days of guesswork and late nights. Beyond connectivity, the NPort and MGate G2 equip you with the necessary tools to handle field issues. Because when you're staring down a critical system failure, the last thing you need is more uncertainty. The NPort and MGate G2 provide reliable edge connectivity you can count on wherever the job takes you. For more product information, visit our website. The link is down below in the description.